Mabuhay! Good day everyone. Here are the things I learned in the subject Cruise Leisure, Recreation and Tourism. The cruise. The cruise industry is a dynamic, thriving sector of tourism, offering a wide array of career opportunities in both land and sea. For those who choose to work on a ship career are typically divided in two major areas: bridges operation and hotel operations. Bridge operations focuses on technical and navigational aspects of the ship, including the captain, deck officers, and engineer. In the contrast, hotel operations encompasses the entire guest of experience, from the dining and entertaining staff to housekeeping and guest services. And that's all for me. This is Cruise Manila.